I watched my industry get flipped completely upside down during the bursting of the dot-com bubble and all of that aftermath. And so this experience made me realize that I was way too dependent, relying on the income from my job, from that paycheck. And that was my only income source. And even though I loved the work I was doing as an engineer, this was always going to be a job full of all of these circumstances completely out of my control. And what it taught me was that no matter how talented of an engineer I was, or how valuable of an employee I was, the bottom line is that if things were not going well financially at the company or in the industry overall, I could quickly lose my job. And so I came to this realization that I needed to start to find other sources of income so I wouldn't be so dependent on the paycheck from my job.
I don't disagree with you. I think it is really prudent for people to realize that passive income is an important factor, because the truth of the matter is, whether you are self-employed, employed by a big company or whatever, there always is going to be changes in your market or whatever. And if you have more than one avenue to make money, then you are better off.